Hello, I'm Julia. Together with my sister, I care for a regenerative fruit farm on Bundjalung Country on the east coast of Australia. We are learning to build, farm, garden, and live off the land. Earlier in the day, I collected fresh leaves from the garden. I shared this process in last week's video, where I collected mint, oregano, Thai basil, fennel, lemon myrtle, comfrey, aloe vera, turmeric, farmer's friends, and avocado leaves. Join me today as I process these leaves and turn them into delicious, colourful, and medicinal brews. I hung this Thai basil here to dry some weeks ago. It's a good spot for drying as it gets sun all day. As always, the ducks follow me wherever I go, so today they seem to want to join in with tea making. These are the avocado leaves, which I will rinse and start drying. I've read that tea made from avocado leaves is high in antioxidants and has many health benefits, helping with digestion, asthma, and inflammation. You can also make tea from avocado seeds, but at the moment ours aren't ready to pick. I will try this in April when avocado season begins here on the farm. These are the mint leaves, and they smell so delicious. And then the farmer's friends. Then lemon myrtle. Here are the oregano leaves, which make another medicinal tea with so many benefits. I particularly love using this tea because of its antifungal properties. In our climate, in the monsoon season, it becomes very humid and mold can become a problem. It's cool that this plant grows like a weed in this climate, giving us the ultimate tool to combat this mold problem. Nature is amazing. I'm sitting these here to dry in the warm sun. The next job is to process the Thai basil that I dried a few weeks ago. I'm stripping all of the leaves and flowers from the stems. I'm going to save the string to reuse on some other herbs. And save the stems to go into the compost. We believe in reusing everything here, and we try to avoid buying anything new. smells so good. This tin was my grandmother's and is perfect for storing tea. I think of her every time I make a cuppa from it. Now I will tie up the Thai basil. And the avocado leaves, with a little visit from Penny. The mint is next. And then the farmer's friends. These will hang up in the corner of the kitchen to dry. Now it's time to relax and make some pots of tea. This one is made from fresh mint and fennel leaves. Mint and fennel are both classic stomach-settling teas, and the combination of the two tastes fresh and savoury, like minty licorice. The next tea is Thai basil. It turns into a beautiful purple-coloured brew. Then, lemon myrtle. It grows native to these rainforests and its leaves are antibacterial, antimicrobial, antioxidant, antibiotic, and antiviral. Amazing! It has a strong citrusy taste and I'm mixing it with aloe vera, which also has so many health benefits. The last tea is an anti-flu tea. Depending on what we have in the garden, I make this with ginger or turmeric. It has become a family tradition to make this tea every evening. With lime and honey, it is the warmest, coziest immune booster. Eating from the garden, even in the smallest ways like making tea, can be so enriching. On our journey towards self-sustainability, where we try to grow and eat only seasonal food, we realize that this way of living and eating not only gives us the most beautiful tasting foods, but is also so beneficial for our health. We also learnt that eating locally and in season is also so great for our environment. It saves on food miles and carbon emissions and protects soil health and biodiversity. Smallholder farms safeguard 80% of the world's biodiversity. We hope to help this movement. We're so lucky to be able to eat and grow food in this way, and we're very excited by the small steps we're taking towards growing our own food and caring for this earth. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.